gonna go behind here. Hey, what up, gang? Booba617. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing a few different things. So we're gonna be taking off some badges. We're gonna be installing some new parts, and maybe even painting badges. So yeah, we have a lot to do. Come with me. Let's go. All right, guys. So like I told you guys before, I was gonna be eliminating these when I installed this one. If you haven't seen that video yet, go check it out. But that's what we're gonna do now. We're gonna take these out, and the tool we're actually gonna use is fishing line. Usually what I would do, I would heat it up. It makes it a lot easier, but because these are all small, I'm pretty sure with this fishing line I could just swoop it right out. Pretty simple procedure. All we're gonna do is make sure that each hand has a nice grip of fishing line, and we're gonna go behind here. As you can see, it's gonna take a few lines because so that goes. The reason that I heat these up is because it takes this out a lot easier, but we're not doing all that today. That's it. Get some goopy gone, take these out. Right, I'm gonna go do the other side. I'll be back. With a little persuasion, all the M3 tape can come off. All right, both sides are done. So all we gotta do now is get that buffed and we're good to go. All right, so with those badges taken off, we are on the way to my boy's shop, which is like one of the best #1 detail shops in the area. So if you're from Massachusetts and you want to get your car detailed by a professional, you have to go to First Start. All right, I'm gonna show you guys where it's at. It's in Quincy, Mass, and it's ran by my boy Wilfredo, a good friend of mine. So we're on our way now. Let's go. All right, we just pulled up. First Start Detailing. If you're anywhere in Massachusetts, this is the place to come. Number one. I'm telling you right now. And just like that, in a matter of literally probably not even 5 minutes for both sides in total, and it's done. Buffed out, so good to go. No more chrome. Let's go. And for the next thing we're gonna do is gonna be these bad boys. Carbon fiber, baby. They did a really good job with these. It comes with, this is what it comes with. It comes with two, but it also comes with these little badges, the X5M badges. But this is not an X5M, this is an X5M Sport, two different things. So I'm not gonna install these. So guys, whoever got these on your X5 and you do not have an M, stop it. Let's go. So the first thing we have to do is prep the area. I don't know if you guys seen the video on when I installed these, but if you haven't, checked that one out. First thing is we have to take all the dirt and grime out. So let's start doing that now. Get it nice and clean. So when I installed these, I had a little sprayer. I was able to spray the water and then clean it with a microfiber cloth, but I misplaced it. I have no idea where I put it. So today we have just a wet rag, and then with a brand new clean microfiber cloth, we're gonna clean the area nice and clean. Once we got the area nice and clean, I'm just gonna put it against it to see what it's gonna look like. All right, It's 3M on each side, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna peel the back. Just like that, and then line it up. So. Make sure it's nice and straight, that's all. Just push it down after you lined it up. It's a big piece of 3M, so it catches on very nicely. That's it. That's all it is. Yeah, them little touches, man. Them little touches. Yeah, it looks real nice. Let's finish it off on the next side. Same thing, wet rag. You go inside the vent, just take all that gunk out. You see how dirty it is? Because once you put these on, you're not going to be able to take that gunk out. Unless you take them all apart, and yeah, headaches. Alright, get your microfiber cloth, get everything all nice and cleaned out. This is a pretty straightforward and easy task. I really do like the way that these carbon fiber air vents look. They definitely give it a little bit of personality. The trucks actually come with these are the XM5s, the X5Ms, and the X6Ms, but they come chrome. So a lot of people switch these out anyways, or paint them or do different things to them. So just like that, no more side markings, no more chrome. Blacked out M Sport badge, carbon fiber vents, nothing down here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Blacked out grill. You know what's next? I think I'm gonna go with the 22s. What do y'all think? Should I do the 22s? I think I'm gonna do the 22s. And for sure, I'm getting the front lip and the rear diffuser. That's coming next, baby. Coming next. Unfortunately, I did not get to paint the X5 emblem in the rear of the car on the trunk. But that's gonna be a whole video on its own. I could do like a how-to video, what to buy, what materials to buy, what brand to buy, tricks on how I do it, things like that. It's gonna be its own video. I was gonna do on this one, but we don't got enough time. It's starting to drizzle, it's getting dark. Let's keep it moving, guys. Tell me if you like the build so far. Tell me what you think. Tell me if I should go with the 22s. I think I'm gonna go with the 22s. Maybe not, maybe I am. Thinking about it. Because after I dropped it, 22s I think would look kind of nice. But anyways, that's another video altogether. But let me know in comments below. If you don't follow me already, follow me. Give me a thumbs up. Google 617, we out.